You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, this word correctly. It comes from Swedish, okay? There is an ongoing debate on how to pronounce this tobacco product, and yes, I believe the official recognized UK pronunciation is snus. Indeed, if you go to some dictionaries in Britain, they're going to say the pronunciation is snus, so that pronunciation does exist, and it's probably somewhat correct in English. However, in Swedish, also Norwegian, the pronunciation is as snus. Snus, and that's how it's also generally pronounced quite often all over the US in particular, also in the UK. In English it should be pronounced snus. Yes, indeed, snus, say it snus, but yes, snus is not completely incorrect either. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.